Hi guys, this video is sort of a vague tutorial for a Hogwarts themed trunk I made. I had this idea where I put all of my significant belongings like medals, first uniform, trophies from when I was born to 18 years of age in a specific different box. So while looking for a box, I came across this old steel trunk and I decided to paint it because I didn't want to keep my stuff in a box like that. Now, being a massive fangirl, nothing comes to my mind except One Direction, Harry Potter, The Office, and all the other fandoms I'm a part of. And a Hogwarts theme is the perfect theme for a trunk, so I decided to go for it. Complete trunk, I went for a shade of coffee brown since brown is the classic trunk color, but I wanted to go for a deeper shade of it. For locks and handles, I wanted to use gold paint, but I didn't have any, so I mixed two colors. I mixed burnt sienna. This is artist's watercolor by Camel, and I mixed it with this gold powder paint. I don't know what it actually is. This is 30 years old, and my mom used to use it when she was into arts and crafts when she was younger. It is basically gold glitter powder sort of thing, and you have to actually mix it with the specific binder which comes along it, but I ran out of it, so I just directly mixed it with this paint and it came out perfectly fine. So this is just a regular old steel trunk you can probably find in your basement too. For the base, I'm going to use a shade of dark brown and I'm going to use enamel paint. Another thing is that I'm not going to use a regular paintbrush because I'm too clumsy to paint the strokes properly. I'm going to use the sponge instead because it's way too handy to paint with a sponge. So let's get started. Now that I'm done with the paint, I'm going to add a few little Harry Potter related things. I had a lot of ideas in my mind and I kind of wanted to do them all, but then it would have been too messy and clustered. So I decided to go for a few simple ones. On the top of the lid, I am going to put a Hogwarts logo. Earlier I thought of painting it, but then I remembered I don't have fine intricate painting skills. I am more of a doodle, scribble and pattern painting person. Like I painted this cupboard way back. So instead of painting it, I thought of pasting it and I got this emblem and the Hogwarts motto printed on a glossy ivory sheet. On either side of the trunk, I am going to put a few more symbols. On one side, I am thinking of going for the 9/3/4 symbol, and on the other side, I am going to paint my names as initials, that is SG, in green and Slytherin. As I had said in the clip earlier, that first I'll put the logo, my initials, and the 9/3/4 sign and see how it comes out. It did come out really nice, but I just felt that there was something missing on the lid. There was a lot of empty space. So I thought of painting two gold stripes and putting studs on it, making it look like a belt. But while putting the scotch tape as a template for that belt, I realized that the scotch tape itself looks very nice. So I decided to leave it there. So the whitish stripes you see are nothing but the Scotch tape itself. This took me about 8 hours to make. I made it in 2 days, leaving after painting the base coat. I left it overnight to dry, and the next day it was pretty quick because painting the locks and handles was not really difficult and it dried really quickly. The logo also didn't take much of a time, though cutting it was one heck of a job, but still it was very easy to put it, and even the other signs were quite easy to make and they dried pretty quickly. So in all, about 8 hours. I'm very satisfied with my work because the trunk came out as I had pictured it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions from the video about the technique or the product, or if you want to know any other detail, you can ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.